Hi guys, I'm Ania.
And I'm Tyler.
Welcome to our labor of love. I am a blogger.
And I'm a photographer, filmmaker, and we do everything together.
This apartment has been owned by our family since 1995. So my parents lived here. I grew up in this apartment. This is like musical chairs of
musical apartments.
Of condos, yeah. My dad passed away 2 years ago, and the first thing that I thought was, we're moving in with my mom because I don't want her to be by herself. My mom actually owned the apartment underneath here as well. So we're like, let's just take both of these apartments and renovate them. There are things that I think about this place as like what my dad did to it when he was here. Sometimes they're like really hard to let go. My lighting fixture from the bedroom into my bathroom, he had created this little chandelier thing for me, and I really wanted to keep it because it like reminds me of him, and it's like, something that he did specially for me. I have a connection to that for sure. Even though there was like things that didn't go as we planned or like didn't go perfectly, I still think that doing a renovation is really great. It allows you to like create a space that you want, that you really love, that you're proud of. I do have to say though that Tyler does contribute a lot into like our aesthetic. I don't want to be like pigeonholed into one style. He sort of helps me focus. He has a background in design.
There's an evolution in how you decorated, coming from having all colored walls in your apartment before we met. The walls got white, and now the floors got white. But then I think because all the big flat surfaces are white, it encourages a lot more color to come out in everything. So all the little highlights are a lot more colorful. Everything that we frame, I sort of wanted to have a story or like have a significance of some kind. So it takes a while to sort of accumulate those things. I like for things to have a purpose. One thing I really like about the shelves that we did in different places is that since they are made of the same material, it ties the house together from one end to the other. Like things built into the house that are the same material. It has a really nice effect.
Yeah. When I was thinking of the renovation in the beginning, was like I chose 3 colors, like a color scheme sort of mood board for the apartment. So it was walnut, white subway tile, and like white finishings. Our closet situation resembles our travel situation. When we travel, I have like 2 huge suitcases and Tyler's like lugging around in a little carry-on. But he's really good at it.
Minimalist,
though.
Right?
Yeah, he lives a very good minimal lifestyle. There's 2 different lifestyles happening in this house.